Hi all, Mike from TechMake Studios here. Today we're going to do a quick, simple, fun project where we use the temperature sensor on our Microbit to change the color of an RGB LED based on how hot or cold it is. It's a really basic setup on the breadboard and just a few lines of code, so let's just dive right in. The setup for the RGB LED is quick and easy, and the code is really short and simple too. As always, let's start with the setup of our breadboard. We just need 3 wires, 2 100 ohm resistors, and our RGB LED. We'll start by connecting the blue leg of the RGB to pin 1, and then connect the red leg to pin 0. We have 1 resistor leading out to ground, and we're adding the extra resistor on the red pin because it helps create a deeper red color. By the way, for more information about RGB LEDs, be sure to check out our video about that on our channel. We don't need to hook up the green pin because we're just doing blue for cold and red for warm. Now let's turn to the code. As you can see, there really isn't much to it. We start by setting the lower and upper limits for the temperature. I've set the upper limit at the current temperature of this room and the lower limit at the current temperature outside. We want the red light on pin 0 to be at maximum intensity when it's at the high temperature and to 0 when it's at the low temperature. Then, for the blue light at pin 1, we're going to do the reverse. So the blue will be at maximum when it's at the low temperature, and at 0 when it's at the high. Alright, so now let's turn on the battery pack and we'll see if our light works. There we go, it's turned on now. Now it appears in the video to be pinkish white and flashing. Unfortunately, the RGB LED always appears pretty white and flashy on video. However, it is a steady deep red right now in person. So we know that it works and it's about 22 degrees inside. So let's go outside to test the blue light now. So out here in my snow fort where it's 0 degrees outside, the light has turned blue. So we know that it worked. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye-bye.